Hi, today's in this video we are going to be discussing about the basics of routes in Express.js, and I'm going to show you what is the meaning of routes. And when we are discussing about route, or you hear me mentioning route in my future video, just know what I meant, and then from now on you'll be able to identify different routes on your own. And that's just it, and as basic as that. So when you are talking about route, that means when a browser is pointing to something, or maybe when something happened to a URL. So a route is basically a URL, then from your server, then now in this perspective. So when somebody is pointing to this slash books, that means slash books route, we expect something to happen. For now, we don't have anything to happen. We just have the post request. So let me quickly create a simple route. So when somebody is pointing to this slash, just backslash, that's home route without any additional text. So we want to see something like, okay, when someone is pointing to that router, that means the backslash, we want to see a response of welcome to the book API. So and then you can see now what happened is I make sure I did a get request. So because if we are using other requests, it won't work on while testing on a browser. Maybe we need to test using maybe Postman or Thunder client. So now you see here, now we are having the put request to this route of slash books and slash ID. So we won't be able to test this on just normal browser, but I can be able to just create a post request to or a get request on this for this route too. So when somebody is at the route of slash book slash book ID, is going to return the book to him, or maybe if there's no book, is going to just set or send an error. So we have the app.get. As you can see, I'm making sure I'm doing the get request, so we'll be able to test with just a browser. So we have the app.get slash book, and then the next thing I'm just want to do here is to make sure I close this properly. And I'm not going to be writing the code from scratch since I have it at the top there. I can just grab the important code we needed from the previous function. That's the put request function. So let me just grab some few line of code from here. We have the const book ID and then the name. I just copy from here to here. I think that's the only thing we need. Maybe edit something. Okay. So I can be able to just paste it in here. Oops, I'm having an error. Okay, I think it seems I pasted it in the wrong place. I still posted it in the delete request instead of the get request I created. So what I need to do is make sure I just remove this code back. Let me revert it, Ctrl Z. And then I can just scroll to the top and see where I created my new app.get. This way I want to post it. This was I want to paste it. I think that will be fine. That's fine. So we have the book ID. I don't need this line of code. I'm removing it. I don't need it. So then we can just make sure we find the book by using the book ID that is passed through the book. And what next? I just want to response dot maybe send. I just want to send something to the client, and I just want to send the current book. I mean the book ID. So when someone passes in the ID of a book, we are supposed to return that book with that particular ID to the user. And I think that's all for now. Everything cool. When someone goes to this just backslash, that's home route, is going to return a response of welcome to the book API. And then when someone goes to this route slash book slash ID, and then he, instead of just colon ID, he puts in the number of the ID of book he wants. It returns the book with that particular ID. I think that will be fine for now, and let's start our server. Let me clear this console, or let me see terminal for now, and then let me just start the application with Node app.js, not npm. I want to just type in the Node space app.js. That's the name of our app entry point. And then you can see our app is listening on port of 5000 currently, and which is exactly what I want to see. So let me just go ahead and type in the localhost http. And I think this won't work because there's nothing like http. It's just localhost 3000 / about, and let me just type in http and then colon with colon flat, and then I can be able to type in localhost of we are not going to be using the 3000 ports, but for now let me delete this dashboard. So from our own code, we are using the 5000 ports. So we are not supposed to use 3000 here, we are supposed to still use the 5000. So I can just hit on enter and see what happened, and yes, it's working. We have the welcome to the book API in our browser. So this is the home directory, and without adding the ending backslash or we added it, it worked perfectly. So what next I want to do here is, okay, possibly check out the next one we have here, which is when we want to get a particular single book. So we need to pass in the ID of that book in the on the routes also. So we have slash let me see, 2. Oops, I think we're having an error, and I think I guess where the error is coming from. We are not having just slash book with slash ID. We're having slash books slash ID, not slash just ID. So I need to type in the slash books and then now specify the ID of book I want to get. Let me put 1, and you can see now it's pretty much return the book of the ID of 1, and I can just change it to 2 or maybe 3, and I believe it's going to work as expected. You can see this a book of ID of 2, and that's just it. And I can still switch to 3. Let's check it out. We are having our book of ID of 3 as expected. So what if I put in ID of book not found, ID of 4, because in our own books up there we are not having books of up to particular 4 books. We are only having 3 books, so we are expected to really see the error of maybe book not found there also. So that's just it for now, and you can see it's slash book slash ID, not just slash ID. Make sure you pay attention to the URL or the route perfectly, or else you are going to be having error. That is just something you can. So let me copy this and paste it 1 more time, or maybe 2 more times. So when someone goes to just slash about, we are supposed to see a different message. So let's say we are sending welcome to book API about page to the person. When somebody goes to slash about, that's fine. And let me copy this and paste it 1 more time, and then maybe slash contact. When somebody is typing in the URL and then slash contact, we are supposed to see the welcome to book API contact page on the browser. And you can see now we are testing this route from the browser because it is get request. So when we are dealing with other requests, we are not supposed to test it with browser. We are supposed to test it maybe using the Postman or any other thing. So we can see now we have the slash about, and it's showing an error. So we need to terminate our server and then start it again to be able to see the changes we just made. So node app.js, and you can see now when I refresh, I have the welcome to the book API about page. And when I also change it to maybe contact, we are supposed to see the same thing. Yeah, I think that's all, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.